Hey guys, I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. Today, we're going to talk about a product that I make here at the house for my own use, and that's laundry detergent. So stand by, I'll bring you in a little bit closer. I'll show you the three ingredients, explain to you exactly why I decided to start making my own. Okay, this recipe is pretty simple. Here I have a box of Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Now this is not baking soda, this is washing soda. This box gives me 6 cups. This is 20 Mule Team Borax. And I think this box gives me, well let's see, this one is 3 pounds. And this one is 4 pounds, so this is probably going to be about 8 cups. The other ingredient that we'll need is some laundry bar soap or stain remover. This is Fell's Naphtha. This is the one that I prefer. There's a couple of other brands that are available at Walmart. All of these products came from Walmart. That's where I buy mine at. You can look to pay about $1 a bar. It's a little bit less for the laundry detergent bar. This I believe is well, it's a couple of dollars, about $2.50 a box for each one of the borax and the super washing soda, I believe. Let's see, I've actually got the receipt sitting here where I bought that one, and it is $3.24 for this, and I believe it was 10 cents more for the box of borax. Now I'll show you how I combine these. I'm going to make a dry laundry detergent today. Okay, so here's my ingredients. I have 1 cup of the super washing soda and 1 cup of the 20 Mule Team Borax, and here's what the bar of laundry soap looks like when you take it out. Now, you can take this and just grate it with a typical hand grater, and it works fine. But you need to use the finest, the smallest holes on your grater, because you need this stuff to really be fine so that it melts well when it gets into the washer. Now, I got a cheap food processor, and I just use this to make my laundry soap. I'll spare you the noise of me actually grinding this, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Now I just pulse this a few times and I get it broken up to where it's pretty small. I would say the size of my little finger, the thumbnail, is about as big as you would want it. But once it gets to this point, then I just go ahead and I add the rest of my powder mix, and it helps it to chop this soap up a little bit finer, and it goes ahead and starts mixing it and incorporating it together. So I'll go ahead and pulse that a few times, and once again I'll come back and show you the end product. Remember, as you're doing this, pulse it. Don't let it run wide open for a long amount of time. If it builds up heat, it'll start sticking. Okay, if you can see this, it's all pretty much the same consistency, and it doesn't really change the color as much as it does. The white now looks like it just has some yellow mixed in with it. I'll scoop this out a scoop at a time and add it to my other container here, and we'll see exactly how many loads this will make. Okay, so here's our finished product, and I use a coffee scoop to measure it out. This is for a heavy load or a large load, and this is 1/3 of a cup. That's what I use to measure mine out. You can use half of that if you have a half load or a full load of lightly soiled clothes. It works great. We enjoy it, but the reason we decided to go to this particular product is it's supposed to be better for the environment and better for our septic systems. I also like the idea of not having the perfumes and the bleaches in my laundry detergent, especially during hunting season. When I'm trying to stay as fragrance free as possible. Seems to work very well for me. I've been using it for over a year now. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, This is not my recipe. I got this off of YouTube. Seems to work great for me, and we enjoy using it. No problems with the quality of our laundry whatsoever. And I do like the idea that there's no perfumes in it. Once again, that is 1 cup of 20 Mule Team Borax, 1 cup of the Armor & Hammer Super Washing Soda, and 1 bar of laundry detergent soap. I use the Phil's Naphtha. I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft. Thanks for joining me once again. God bless.